Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And welcome to the science class. For those who are new watching my video, the science class channel, I am Cikgu Roni. And for this video, I will teach you about Year 6 Science, Science Year 6 for Brunei Darussalam. So before we start our lesson, we shall recite dua. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma wa sallallahu ala sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa sallam walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Okay, now the topic, we shall start with theme energy and forces. This is year 6 lesson. So the theme for this week would be energy and forces, and the topic would be electrical energy. And the subtopic would be listing examples of electrical appliances at home. And then we shall talk about conversion of energy. So our objective for this week would be to describe electricity as a form of energy and give example of electrical home appliances and explain how the energy from the appliances change from one form to another. So how do we going to do that is we shall talk about electricity. I believe that for year 6 students, pupils, year 6 pupils, they have learned a bit about electricity in year 4. So we shall recap that again. And then we talk about electrical home appliances. And we shall talk about how energy change from one form to another. Okay, now we start our lesson with the topic using electrical energy. So the question is how we get electricity at home. So how do we get electricity at home? Basically, we get our electricity for our home from power plants. So in Brunei Darussalam, we do have power plant, which is gas power plant, and this gas power plant provide electricity for us in Brunei Darussalam. So next, the question is what is electricity? And the answer would be electricity is a form of energy. Now in year 4 we have learned about forms of energy such as light energy or heat energy, movement energy, sound energy, and stored energy. Now these things that we have learned. So next, now this is a picture of how we use electricity at home. What I need you to do now is, after this, not now, after this, what I need you to do is to take a look and identify objects that uses electricity, and I will give you 30 seconds. You may start now. Okay, have you identified objects that uses electricity? Now let's take a look. There's a lot of objects here that uses electricity. Example would be this is the speaker. What else? This is a standing lamp. I believe we have learned about this. And this is a washing machine, and next would be a blender, next would be a refrigerator, next oven, next television, next vacuum cleaner, and this toys uses electricity. If you can see here, there's cable here, and this child is playing his toys that uses electricity. Next, a computer. Next, air conditioner. Next would be table lamp, and this is what do you call that, shaver, and ah s- it's not sitting, wall lamp, fluorescent lamp, I think. And no more, actually there's, stop, there are some more. I think this is a dishwasher, but I'm not sure. But it doesn't really matter. There's a lot of objects in our home that uses electricity. Okay, we shall move on. Uh, tada! Now, this is the common. These are here. I will show you common objects that uses electricity in our home, such as notebook, computer, and television. And commonly, we also use iron, and then we also use oven, ah, rice cooker, hand mixer, yes, your mother would have this, and refrigerator, and air conditioner, and we usually have this at home. So all of this, my hand, okay, all of that are called electrical appliances. All of these are called electrical appliances. Okay, now electrical energy conversion. I believe that we also have learned electrical energy conversion. It doesn't mean only electrical, but another types of energy, all other types of energy that that are converted to other form of energy. Now here we shall talk about electrical energy that is converted to other forms of energy. Now, energy can be changed from one form to another. We have learned this, yes. In electrical appliances, energy is changed into different forms of energy. Now, example would be in lights, electrical energy is converted into light and heat energy. Now, light electrical energy is converted to light energy and heat. I forgot to type that. Heat energy, electrical energy is converted to light energy and heat energy. Now, note converted also means change. So electrical energy is change into light energy and heat energy. Our next example would be in an electric train. This might not be an an electrical appliances, but it serves the purpose. In an electric train, electrical energy is converted into movement energy. Electrical change into movement energy. Another example for the same thing would be a blender or a hand mixer. A blender, if you remember, in the kitchen okay, converted in our kitchen, blender change. When you turn on the blender would move, turn around. So it's the same thing. It's same thing here. Now let me move myself a little bit. Okay, now So it's the same thing happen in a blender. Electrical energy change into movement energy. Other examples would be in a radio, electrical energy is converted or changed into sound energy. Another example would be a rice cooker. Electrical energy is converted into heat energy. Okay, good. And in a battery charger, I think some of you have this at home, or any kind of charger, maybe a laptop charger or handphone charger. Electrical energy is converted into stored energy. Then the energy would be stored in the dry cells. Okay. Exercises. So we have reached the end of our lesson. What I need you to do is one, to read the notes. Notes will be provided is the same as this video, but in PDF form, so you can read it. Do exercises provided through Google Form and Microsoft Form. For my peoples, especially for those who are not my peoples, maybe other peoples, other year 6 students in Brunei Darussalam, you can do the Google form too. I will provide the links at the bottom of this video. So let's recap week 2 lesson, not week 1 lesson. This is wrong. Week 2 exercise. Recap week 2 lesson. Number 1, electricity is a form of energy. And 2, electricity can be converted into other forms of energy such as light energy, sound energy, movement energy, heat energy. This is wrong. Let me correct that for you in a moment. Okay, here. uh, Light energy, sound energy, movement energy, heat energy, and one more, stored, stored, stored energy. So I have done the correction. Save stored energy. Excellent. Now, one more time, electricity can be converted into other forms of energy such as light energy, sound energy, movement energy, stored energy, and heat energy. Excellent. So thank you for watching my video, watching the lessons. So you may subscribe. For those who are new, subscribe, like, and share the video. So boleh kongsi-kongsi with your friends and family all over Brunei Darussalam. Okay, see you next week for a new lesson. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.